Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A54 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Advanced Features. Now scroll down again, tap on Dual Messenger and click on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone, in my case Facebook. Then select Install in the pop-up, click on Confirm in Disclaimer 1. And in order to use separate contact list, tap on this switcher. If you don't want to do that, click on Next. Then select OK in the pop-up. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my Facebook app was successfully cloned. If you want to delete your cloned app, go into exactly the same settings and tap on the same No Blue switcher. Lastly, confirm your choice by choosing Uninstall. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!